Good morning, students. Today we are going to start lesson number 5, the yellow butterfly. But before that, see what is this? It's a garden. Isn't it beautiful? Yes? A piece of land, usually near a home, where flowers and other plants are grown. Gardens are also public places where plants and flowers are grown for people to enjoy. Okay, this is the meaning of garden. Now tell me, what are the things we find in a garden? Think: grass, benches, stones, flowers, fountains, swings, etc. All things we find in a garden. Yes? But we have forgotten one. It's an insect. It's a beautiful insect. Tell me the name of that insect. Yes, butterfly. Butterflies are beautiful flying insect with large scaly wings. A butterfly has 6 legs. We love to see butterfly and we often see the butterfly in a garden, isn't it? And now we are going to read about a beautiful yellow butterfly that Sonu wanted to catch earlier, but later on he left the butterfly and let it go. Let us find out why he left the butterfly. Lesson number 5, the yellow butterfly. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer, closer, and still closer, but then off flew the butterfly. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water and off flew the butterfly. Where was it? Sonu looked up. He looked down. Near the wall was a peach tree. It had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. I can catch you, shouted Sonu. He climbed up the tree. Up, up he climbed, but back it flew down from the tree. Sonu jumped down too. He chased the butterfly from the rose to the lotus and up the peach tree, but he could not catch the butterfly. Here is the explanation. There was a yellow butterfly in Sonu's garden. He saw the butterfly and ran to catch it. It sat on a rose flower. Sonu said, now I can catch it. He was so happy because now he can catch the butterfly easily. He walked slowly and silently without making any noise to catch the butterfly. He went closer and closer. But what happened? The butterfly went away. Off flew the butterfly means it flew away. It went away. But now, where did the butterfly go? Near the garden, there was a pond. What do you mean by the word pond? Pond is a small body of water, still water, formed naturally or artificially. In the pond, there was a white lotus. Around it, round leaves were there. They were floating in the water. The butterfly sat on a floating leaf. Sonu splashed, jumped into the water. And what happened? Again, off flew the butterfly. The butterfly went away. Now, where is the butterfly? Sonu searched the butterfly everywhere. He looked up, down, and everywhere. Near the wall, there was a peach tree. It had pink flowers. The butterfly sat on a beautiful flower or pretty flower. Pretty means beautiful. So, it sat on a beautiful flower. Now I can catch you. He climbed the tree. He was moving up. And when he climbed up the tree, again off flew the butterfly. This time back, it flew back down from the tree. Sonu jumped down too. He chased the butterfly. Chased means to run after. So he chased the butterfly but couldn't find the butterfly. Couldn't catch the butterfly. So from the rose to the lotus, up the peach tree, but still Sonu was unable to catch the butterfly. Now turn the page. Page number 48. Sonu could not see it at all. He looked everywhere. At last he saw the butterfly. There was a big spider's web in the peach tree. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. It looked sad as it tried to escape. It fluttered its wings. It twisted and turned, but it could not escape. The spider's web held it tight. Poor butterfly. In the middle of the web was a big spider. It looked hungry. It wanted to catch the butterfly. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. Before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. It was so pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. Sonu loved the little butterfly, but it looked sad in Sonu's hand. Sonu wanted it to be happy. So here is the twist in the story. Let us find out. Sonu was searching the butterfly. He looked for it everywhere. At last, he found the butterfly. There was a spider's web in the peach tree. It caught in the spider's web. The butterfly looked sad as it tried to escape from the spider's web. The butterfly was trying to escape. It turned and twisted itself but was unable to escape from the spider's web. Poor butterfly. There was a big spider in the web and was hungry too. It crawled towards the butterfly. But before the hungry spider could grab it or catch it, Sonu ran and caught the butterfly. He saved the butterfly from the spider. It was a beautiful butterfly. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. Sonu loved it, but the butterfly was looking sad in Sonu's hand. Why? Because nobody wants to be a slave. Everybody wants freedom. The butterfly wanted to be free and fly again. So now we are reading page number 49. Go, said Sonu. Fly away. He let the butterfly go. It sat on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree and then sailed on a lotus leaf. It flew merrily from flower to flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. The butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. So when the butterfly was in Sonu's hand, it was looking sad. So Sonu said, go, and he let the butterfly go. Then the butterfly sat on the red rose, then flew to the peach tree, and then sailed to the lotus leaf. The butterfly was so happy that it flew from flower to flower. Once again, the butterfly was happy. So this was the explanation of the lesson. Now I am giving you the notes. These notes you will write in your notes copy in neat and clean handwriting. Okay. First is dictation. Where was it? Sonu looked up, comma, he looked down. Full stop. Near the wall was a peach tree. Full stop. It had pink flowers. Full stop. This is your dictation. Okay. Next is word meanings. First is escape. Escape means to get away. Next, flutter. It means to flap wings. Next, chase. To run after. Next is grab. To grasp or hold tightly. Okay. Anyone you can write. Merrily. Cheerfully.